Vitars Day at kamusta ang inyong ghost month? Maybe some of you ay katulad din ng usual, di ba? Nagkakaroon ng problema, bumababa yung kita. But I want to show you this picture, ayan. And that is our type, no? Nagulat din kami na ganyan, unlike the usual. And timely rin to kasi ito yung topic sa church namin. It's all about biblical finance. Maybe this would serve as an encouragement sa mga still wondering kung gagawin nga ba nila yung tithing. Aside from the idea of is it a rule or is it a commandment, still debatable pa rin siya. Pero sa amin, we do it for 3 reasons. Number 1 is it's a sign of commitment for us. Number 2 is it's a sign of accountability sa blessing na binigay sa amin. At number 3, we believe na giving back to God is an act of thanksgiving. Again, sa inyo naman, I give you 3 reasons kung bakit pwede nyo itry na sa tingin ko would be a practical reason to do it. Number 1 is when we give back to God, we acknowledge that money is not our God. We are controlled over the money. Hindi tayo ang kinokontrol ng pera kasi kaya natin siyang ibigay, kaya natin siya ibalik dun sa original source natin. Number 2 is when we give, we become managers of the money kasi dahil 10% siya, pwede iba-ibang percento sa amin, pinapractice namin is 10%. Nakikita namin sa inyo expenses, magkano isa-save namin for a month, yung percentage, mas madali i-control or i-handle yung finances kasi percentage na lang siya. And number 3, we give because it will make you happy. There's a proven research na tinatawag na giver's glow. When we give, nag-glow tayo, nagiging masaya tayo. And also, when we give back to God, it's a sign of partnership. Ang ganda lang ng idea of tithing kasi sa labas, sa business, traditional business, for it to become fair, dapat 50-50 ang bigayan mo. But when we say we partner with God, it's 90 and 10%. 10% lang yung nakasulat. 10% lang yung sinasabi na kailangan mo ibalik kay God. So, again, panalo ka pa at yung kapartner mo, hindi lang kung sinong pinakamagaling magnegosyo, but may-ari ng buong bagay dito sa mundo. So, would you tithe? I don't know. Pero sa amin, pinapractice namin siya. And so far, since ginagawa namin yun, God is true to His promise. Never pa naman kami nagutom. And ikaw, anong idea mo sa tithing? Vitars Day.